I built one of the coolest inventions ever made. It's called a Tesla coil, capable of transferring electricity through the air. It relies on the principle of resonance to produce a high voltage plasma which is hot enough to do some little tricks. And the crazy part is that I built different versions ranking from tiny to medium, moderate and large, all with different results and capabilities. Actually, these Tesla coils are like transformers. Just like a transformer steps up AC to AC, the Tesla coil steps up DC to a high voltage AC at a high frequency, producing an electromagnetic field that lights up any bulb around it. And honestly, it's simple to build. Just with a transistor, a resistor, an LED, a battery and some coils, I had my tiny Tesla coil working already. There are no plasma arcs, but it can wirelessly light up a neon bulb effectively. This is the simplest version of the Tesla coil you can make. The next one I built was a bit bigger and did a lot better because it could now light up bulbs and even had a tiny plasma discharge at the tip of its output. This time I used a bigger transistor but with the same circuit, and even though it wasn't the best, it performed just as it should. Now the next one I built became even more scary. The plasma discharge was bigger and hotter and it could light up a fluorescent bulb at a much greater distance. But here's the scary part. If you bring an empty fluorescent bulb close to the Tesla coil and touch the wires coming from the bulb, you will literally get really crazy. And the reason it's this powerful is because I used a power MOSFET rated for 200 watts with the circuit a bit different from the previous ones. The primary coil is around 2.5 tons of 1 mm enameled copper coil. Secondary coil around 700 tons of 0.1 mm enameled copper coil with one end of it suspended in the air. An interesting fact about this version is that it's a simple setup. Just a MOSFET, a potentiometer, capacitor and a resistor, with the MOSFET attached to a heatsink to prevent it from burning out quickly. And as you can see from the circuit, it's actually a simple one. Now, if this one was this powerful, how much more the biggest one I built, which has around 1500 tons of secondary coil. This one lights up a fluorescent bulb from a farther distance and produce a much bigger plasma discharge, which is hot enough to light a matchstick and burn stuffs. Now, here's the interesting part of this build. I went ahead to build a Tesla receiver coil that can receive the electromagnetic waves from the Tesla coil and transform it into useful energy to power stuffs like phones, bulbs, fans and other things. So here I just hooked up this transmitter to a 19 volt DC power supply and I'm going to turn it on here. So just watch the LED that I placed at the receiver end and it's going to come on. Yeah, it has come on, but it's kind of very low. So we have to adjust this tuner so we can achieve resonance. So I'm going to take it closer and as you can see the bulb is increasing. Yeah. Ouch. Okay, I think at this point resonance is achieved. So you can see the transmission of the energy is at its maximum. And if you also take this backwards, the further you take it, the lesser the energy being transferred. Now let's try to charge a phone with this. We'll check for the maximum distance and also the efficiency. Here I just connected an Android phone. I used a 5 volt regulator over here to limit the output to 5 volts. Let's turn on the transmitter to see if it would be able to charge the phone. And as you can see, it's charging. Haha, this is nice. Don't mind my phone screen. But as you can see, the phone is charging. There are no external hidden batteries. All the power is coming from the transmitter, which is powered by a 19 volt power supply. Now let's adjust the transmitter further to see if it will still charge the phone. As you can see, it's still charging. Yeah, still charging. Now let's adjust it to the end of the board to see if it will still charge the phone. And as you can see here, it's still charging. Still charging. Yeah, there are no external hidden batteries. And as you can see, it's coming all the way from that end. I tried shifting the transmitter even further, but the phone didn't seem to charge. Well, we got a maximum distance of 0.8 meters while charging a phone. This is real proof that there are a lot of possibilities with the Tesla coil. If you enjoyed this video, then give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also check out my other gadgets and inventions over here. Trust me, it's gonna worth it. Thanks for watching.